Stop thinking computers are modern magic, they have ancient roots. First up, the abacus. Over 2,000 years old, this simple bead and wire device made math easier for ancient merchants. Next, the Antikythera mechanism. Found in an ancient Greek shipwreck, it's basically the world's first analog computer. It could predict astronomical positions. Pretty genius, right? Fast forward to the 17th century, Blaise Pascal created Pascal's calculator, a mechanical marvel that could add and subtract. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved on this with his Leibniz wheel, making multiplication and division possible. Now meet Charles Babbage, the father of the computer. His difference engine was a massive step forward, designed to automate polynomial calculations. But his true masterpiece, the analytical engine, it had the basic elements of a modern computer, a processor, memory, and input-output. And let's not forget Ada Lovelace, the world's first computer programmer. She wrote the first algorithm intended for Babbage's analytical engine. Without her, programming might look very different today. So next time you boot up your laptop, remember it all started with beads, gears, and a lot of genius. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.